Got it?
You're a lot of work.
Well, I will make him better. You will see this.
All right. So
Yes.
you're his Carson Palmer. Huh?
I am. Beach volleyball, it is awesome. You can see it all summer on the AVB Tour. You buzz about it every 4 years during the Olympics. But know where you don't see it? College sports. Sand volleyball was approved by an NCAA committee, but because of numerous objections, another vote will have to take place. The objections are due to concern of the financial impact of adding the additional sport. We decided to have another vote amongst our followers. Z Blitzkrieg tweeted us and settled it. Beach volleyball should be an NCAA sport. It has a professional level and is in the Olympics. Why not college? Fanish or foolish?
Oh, Fanish. I mean, beach volleyball is young. College is full of young people. Take away skateboarding and beach volleyball's demographics are probably about as young as anybody. I think it's a great idea. And, you know, they always say that, you know, guys don't like watching women's sports. And that's always the thing is that, you know, guys just don't watch women's sports. Draw your own conclusions why. Guys love watching women's beach volleyball. I'm not saying why. This is not, that's for another show. That's for Meet the Press. But guys like watching the sport. It's time, it's young, it's hip, it's fun, it's healthy. I'm all for it.
We have to call it sand volleyball because that way, you know, folks in Nebraska without a beach could actually take part. And Nebraska's asking with volleyball, so.
By the way, do you think UCLA is going to do well? Santa Barbara?
Pepperdine.
Kind of.
They're going to do all right.
Yeah.
Want to talk a little wine?
Sure.